Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about this library that I created, I guess, 2 years ago, last year, I guess, uh, that I need to update to work with Netcore, I guess. So, because I want to update this plugin to work in the next version of Revit. So, this plugin use basically these four packages, and this one need to update, and probably gonna remove this and create my own async library. So let's open this project. I already opened here, and I gonna update that. Basically I could did that last time, but I did not think about that. So yeah, let's update this. I'm gonna go in the SES project here. One thing I need to do is I need to remove, or let's build this first. I need to add a warning. Just to ignore this. I don't care. It's old, but I'm gonna use the old one anyway. So I'm gonna click in this package and I'm gonna add this suppress warning. And if I build again, should fix that. Yes, great. Another thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna change to 0.1, I guess. Let's change to alpha. I'm gonna build this and release release version, I guess. So that's gonna be fun. And let's go in here and already add this version here for 10. And let's add features and add I could add net standard, I guess 2.0. Gonna add that support. Yeah, great. And here I gonna add 0.4.1 and let me, I don't want to do that. Okay, 4 and 4.1. Great. That's done. What I need to do, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna change this to net target frameworks. I'm gonna add a S in the end. I'm gonna try to build again. Probably gonna need to reload. I'm gonna reload that. No problem. I'm gonna change here to true to add the something wrong. Let's close this. No. Let's try again. This is true. Yes, great. And I'm gonna add in here net standards 2.0. Standards. Why this is safe? Net is standard. Yes, build. Save. Save it. Let's save this. Let's unload this and reload just to make sure. Reload. What I did wrong. Come on. Just a second. Let's close this and open again. Yeah, something got wrong in my Visual Studio. So let's restart and see if that fixes the issue. Come on, let's go. Yeah, by the way, this library is a great less time to make auto-update using GitHub. So I can build and release this project and gonna update yourself. So yeah, That's is tight with my whole automation and stuff. And yeah, that's the idea. So I'm gonna update this, I guess, to make work with. Now works. Come on. Net this. I miss. Oh, net standard. It's not like that. Okay, no. Yeah. Why is not working? What I miss? 2.0. Yeah, should work. Good. Why it's not working? Okay, makes sense. Yes, I need to remove these two packages. Yeah, this. Let's set the condition. And let's when target framework. Guess starts with, I guess that's something like this. Net 4. Yeah, that's better. Makes sense. And I'm gonna add as well. That's not a problem. Go to the release. That works. Great. I'm gonna add the version as well, just to make sure net with 0. Okay. Oh, I need to have Windows. Why? I don't need this. Yes. Okay, this is obsolete. Makes sense. I'm gonna release anyway. So, and I can try and just to add the alpha version and gonna be great. No worries. Nice. And that's basically it. What else I need to add in here? Okay. Kinda need to fix this. Yeah, I need to fix this in my package. That's missing. In here, I guess it should be readme. Okay, that's makes sense. Yeah, I guess that's it. Let's build that. I need to go in my build project. I'm gonna add the I prep pack. Yes, that's gonna release in a preview version. Yeah, in my GitHub. So I guess makes sense. What I did, okay. Let me think. I guess that's it. Let's build this in here just to make sure everything's working. Build. Come on. Build. And should be running. What is going? Gonna clear the project. This doesn't matter too much. Yeah, gonna build everything. I need to change something here. I should change. No, maybe. Yeah. And this building, let's take a look in here. That's a really old one. That's gonna be a problem. Yes, gonna be a problem. Okay, let's fix that first. That's an old version that I was using at the time. Let's find the new one that I'm using. That's gonna be okay. Let's go in this one. Let's replace this. Take a look. Yeah, yes, makes sense. Yes, it's gonna be, I cannot change this, no problem. Let's go in my not sure if I'm gonna open in this. Yeah, great. And let's go in here. Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna change to builds rate. Let's close this. This is the build, the GitHub action that's gonna run in my GitHub. So yeah, that's basically run that's build.cmd. That's the build automation, the same that I'm using in here. Yeah, and yeah, great. What else? In here, need to remove this one. This could be, this is gonna be the builds, and then it's the build as well. Let's rebuild this. I should create a unit test for this, but in this video I'm not gonna do that. Just want to release this and good to go. Pre-release alpha, gonna be good enough, I guess. Let's build this or release this, and not sure what's gonna happen with the old one. Go here, action, yeah, is running. Great. This did not fail yet. Yeah, and gonna release in here and in my GitHub as well. It's not gonna appear in the versions because my build automation is hiding the background. So yeah, it's not gonna appear here, but I can use it as well. So yeah, that's great. And that's it for this video, I guess. And yeah, next time probably gonna do this project. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, especially because I have a lot of stuff running around. Yeah, anyway, so thanks for watching and bye bye.